Our book of the month for May is Sylvia Critcher's Raised Quilt and Stitch, and Valerie finds out all about the 10 full-size patterns and designs it contains in this lovely filmed interview with Sylvia herself. May sees the launch of the second of our brand new Makers Studio series, featuring the UK's leading textile artists who will walk us through how to make their specialist projects, with host Faye Hatcher and experts Valerie Nesbitt and Jane Brogan. This episode features expert quilter Claire Campion, talking us through the steps to produce her stunning quilting designs, which are created with the help of her walking foot on her Janome machine. We also have an exclusive interview with Claire as Valerie learns more about her pattern designs. With the Queen's Jubilee celebrations just around the corner, we thought you would enjoy this workshop with Jennie Rayment, making Joanne's Festive Bunting, which will be great in red, white and blue. Nancy Adamek completes her Tudor Rose Table Runner English paper piecing series this month. And Jane Czaja, our crochet expert, is showing us how to create colourful daisy flowers, with leaves and buttons still to come. And as promised last month, Paula Doyle returns to show us how to make Boro fabric using recycled jeans, the triple stitch on your sewing machine and wonderful variegated thread, which, as well as upcycling the jeans, can create brilliant projects such as this cushion. Our patchwork this month features Valerie Nesbitt with 2 workshops. The first is this Tilting Squares workshop, which uses pre-cuts, and the second is all about crazy patchwork, which is one of those layer, slash and resew designs with absolutely no waste. Finally, our Technique Thursday video for May features Carolyn Forster showing us how to use the suture stitch, which she uses to join her quilt-as-you-go blocks, but is also a great way of joining scraps of wadding, so you can use up every last bit, and once again, no waste. New videos are released on Justhands-on.tv every Friday. Become a paid subscriber to enjoy unlimited access to all our online classes by Britain's finest tutors to help you with your projects from as little as £5 a month.